what you want, Ruby.
Camera, Grandpa?
Hmm?
Can I get a Can I get a camera?
No. We're doing this right now, honey. What do you want to tell people on Thanksgiving?
Hmm?
Yeah, another pair of socks. What do you want to tell people? Oh, Mandy. Mandy. What do you want to tell people for Thanksgiving?
I don't know.
Say hi to everyone and tell them Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving.